So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do another of the unboxing of this random booster, and I think you already know what it contains, so I will cut to the chase. Yes, it contains a trigger F. So F stands for Fang, so yes, it contains a trigger Fang, and that's what we're gonna unbox here today. So without wasting any more further time, let me open the box and let me show you how the trigger F looks. So this is all the stuff we get inside. So let me assemble the bay for very first look. So let's assemble it. And here we go. We have our trigger F. And we got this additional layered weight for GT base. And then we got some stickers for trigger F. So I have to apply the stickers, then we'll take a look. So we have unboxed our trigger Fang and we have applied the stickers as well. So you can see the parts. So obviously this ring or top layer or energy layer or attack ring, whatever you want to call it, is called as trigger F or trigger Fang. And this is zero disc and this is the extend driver. So one thing I want to point out is with these Burst OG remakes, they always give a better drivers. I mean, I don't know why, but they always get better drivers. So you can see this is the extend driver. Pretty good, right? That's how it increases the height and that's how it can decrease the height as well. So that's why this driver is called extend. So with all these things together, it has been called trigger F0 extend. So I hope it looks good. So without wasting any more further time, let me bring out the stadium and let's do some test battle. So our stadium has been set up and you can see with trigger F in the center, we got a Wolborgate V-ring and we got Bronzer F as well. So we're gonna do a first test spin, then we're gonna do 2 test battles and let's see how our trigger F does. So now I'm gonna launch trigger F. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Pretty good spin, and this is not the extend mode, this is the normal mode. So I guess, so guys, I think it's pretty crazy. It has a lot of stability. So let me interrupt this and let's start a test battle. So first I'm gonna take it up against Wolborg 8. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And here goes Wolborg. Now it's time for trigger F. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. I guess when it finds another bay, it uses its Fang. That's why I guess it's called trigger Fang. And Wolborg is losing spin fast. Well, that is expected from trigger F, I guess. It won pretty easy, fair and square. Now this time I'm gonna take it up against Bronzer F. So first I'm gonna launch trigger, then I'm gonna launch Bronzer. So here goes trigger F. Now it's time for Bronzer F. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let's see how to pal work this out. And Bronzer is on attack. Oh, Bronzer F was able to pull a win, guys. That's a new for me. Honestly, this bay has been used a lot, so it burst pretty easy. But I guess Kai was able to pull a win. I mean, that's a new for me. Let's do one more battle, but this time I'm gonna extend the trigger using its extend driver. So 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Now it's time for Kai's Bronzer. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, now Bronzer is having issues with the extended height of trigger. Oh my god, look at that. And this is what I was afraid of, honestly. I am happy and I am sad at the same time. I am happy because my new Beyblade trigger F was able to pull a win from Bronzer F. But I am sad at the same time because my favorite Beyblade lost a battle. But I guess that's alright because last time it was able to pull a win. So I guess that's pretty much it for today. So guys, let me know your thoughts in comment section. What do you think about this new trigger F? So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.